Hi, my name is Phil Magney. I'm the president and founder of VSI Labs. We're a research company based in the Twin Cities, Minneapolis, St. Paul, Minnesota. Well, the Automated Drive series is an extension of our applied research, and really it's something we started doing last year. Instead of transporting the vehicles to all these destinations, we thought, why not just drive it there? Because doing so, we can test out a lot of the equipment, and we can also collect a lot of data. We have a great relationship with Dataspeed. I first met Paul some years ago. Since then, I've pretty much met every member of the team. We've got a great partnership going with Dataspeed. We get the technical support we need, and of course the platform itself is rock solid. Well, this year with our Automated Drive series, it's really a four-part series, border to border, coast to coast. We're right in the middle of our first drive. We've called this the Automated Drive North. And really the purpose this year is to kind of get off the beaten path. So instead of driving the most predictable roads, the easiest roads like the interstates and so forth, we're choosing to take back roads so that we can discover more edge cases that may be problematic for these automated driving systems. Well, the Dataspeed Drive-by-Wire Kit enables us to do what we do. Without the Dataspeed Kit, we wouldn't be able to carry out any of the experiments that we do on automated driving, or ADAS for that matter. With this vehicle, last year we racked up about 20,000 miles, and this year we will also probably rack up at least 20,000 miles, if not more. When you're building out a system like this, you need to power a lot of different things, not only the computer, but all your devices and all your sensors. And without that power distribution system, you'd have to tap into the existing wiring harness, and that can be very clunky to do. With the power distribution system, you have a nice interface from which you connect your positive and negative and provide power to any of those devices, and then monitor their power consumption with the system. So far the drive's been great. We had a very scenic ride, needless to say, having come up through northern Minnesota, driving across the Upper Peninsula, of course crossing the Mackinac Bridge, and coming in that way really gave us a lot of beautiful scenery, but a lot of two-lane highways, a lot of night driving, and occasional wildlife. So we've been using this system now for almost 3 years, and literally every project we do with this vehicle behind me could not be done without the Dataspeed platform.